Hello students, let's move for the fifth sum in the exercise 7.4. Let us read the sum. The class 10 students of a secondary schools in Krishnanagar have been allotted a rectangular plot of a land for their gardening activity. Sapling of Gulmohar are planted on a boundary at a distance of 1 meter each other. There is a triangular grassy lawn in the plot as shown in the figure. The students are sow seeds of flowering plants on the remaining area of the plot. Taking A as a origin, first you have to understand the sum. Class 10 students, they are the Krishnanagar students, have been allotted. For them it has been rectangular field has been allotted. In that, what they want to plant the Gulmohar plant. Gulmohar is a kind of flowering plant, ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಬಿಡುವಂಥ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅದು. At 1 meter each other, 1 meter ಗೆ they want to plant each other in a rectangular plant. So here in this plot actually there is a triangular grassy lawn, grass ಇರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು triangular lawn ಇದೆ. So in this plot the students are to sow the seeds of flowering plants on the remaining area. ಈ triangular grassy land ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು lawn ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು they has to plant sow seeds of the flowering plants. So first question related to that is taking A as an origin. A, B, C, D are the rectangular plot corner. Taking A as an origin, take this A as an origin. Find the coordinates of the vertices of triangle. Okay, we want to find the coordinates of this vertices. If you are taking A as an origin, Q vertices are here. We can see this is a 3 in a graph sheet and this is 2, right? 3 comma 2. We can write that Q vertices, and in the same way R vertices are, we can write here the R vertices, that is so that thing they has given. First we have to find out, taking A as a origin, find the coordinates of the vertices. So that thing first one we have to solve by taking A as a origin. I mean if you are taking A as a origin, taking by taking A as a origin, so what happened? Taking A as a origin, the vertices of triangle PQR are the vertices of P. First we have to find out the vertices of P. Vertices of P are here we can see, I think you can see here P comes in the 4, I think 4 and 6, right? Okay, P is in a 4 and 6. I mean x axis is 4 and the y axis is 6. Then in the same way vertices of Q are, so this is a Q. Here we can take here 3 x axis and the y axis is 2, 3 comma 2 we can write. And vertices of R are this thing we want to take. I think you can notice here R is comes in the 6th place in x axis and y axis y, 6 comma y. So that is the first answer. Taking A as a origin, find the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle. And also in the same way they are asking what will be the coordinates of the vertices triangle PQR if C is origin. How A as a origin? In the same way we want to take the C as a origin. So by taking C as origin, the vertices of, now we have to find out the vertices of P are, okay, take from you have to come from this side, C as a origin. Vertices of P are, you can find here the vertices of P here. So that is P comes in the position of I think it is comes in the position of 10, right? Okay, and 2, 10 comma 2, this is the vertices of P. So next we have to take the vertices of Q. Are, so here we can find out here the vertices of Q comes in the form of 11 and here, that will be the I think this thing, right? Yes, taking C as a origin, 11 comma 6, 11 comma 6. Okay, in the same way, vertices of R, let us take the vertices of R here. The vertices of R will be the, here we can get here, that is the 10, sorry, or it should be 8 here and 3, 8 comma 3. Okay, so this is about the vertices of P, vertices of Q and vertices of R by taking C as a origin, this C as a origin. In the same way, if you have taken B also, it should be vary. If you have taken D also, it should be vary. So let us find out the next thing they are asking. Calculate the area of the triangle. We want to calculate the area of the triangle. So let us calculate the area of the triangle, that is triangle PQR. So area of triangle PQR, you know already, that's formula, that is the half into x y minus y, write thrice like that, plus x y minus y plus x y minus y. So 1 2 3 1 2 3, sorry, 2 3 1, then 3 1 2, right? Okay, yes, next substitute. First we have to take the x1 y1, the coordinates of PQR, x1 y1, x2 y2, then x3 y3. Okay, right, x1 y1 is the first coordinate, that is the 4 6, and x2 y2 is the second coordinate, that is 3 comma 2, then x3 y3 is the third coordinate, that is 6 comma 5. So what is the area of triangle PQR? That is half into x1. Let's substitute the values. x1 is 4, y2 is 2 minus y3 is 5, 2 minus 5, plus x2 is 3 and y3 is 5 minus y1 is 6, plus x3 is 6, y1 is 6 minus y2 is 2. Okay, 6 minus 2. Let's calculate now. Of 4, 2 minus 5 in the sense minus 3 because bigger number, plus 3 into minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1 because bigger number, plus 6 into 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, half into plus into minus minus, 4 3s are 12, plus into minus minus, 3 1s are 3, plus 6 4s are 24. Okay, half into, so here same numbers are there. If same numbers are there, we want to add minus 12 and minus 3, nothing but the minus 15 and plus 24 it is. Okay, half into 24 minus 15, it will become a 9. So that is equal to 9 into 1 is 9 in the numerator and in denominator 2. 9 divided by 2 square units. Okay, so if we are taking C as also origin, we will get the 9 by 2 as a square units. Hope you will understand that thing only. As and what do you observe? What do you observe? In both the cases, the area of triangle is same. We can write here. In both the cases area of triangle is same. So that's our observation. Hope you will understand this. Okay, may if they in examination, if they are taking B as a origin, you want to identify the numbers here what they has given and want to write their coordinates. Keep in a mind. Okay, keep that thing in a mind. Next we have to move for the sixth sum. So let's read the sum. The vertices of triangle ABC are A 4 comma C. The vertices of triangle has given. So that is the A 4 comma 6, B 1 comma 5 and C 7 comma 2. Let's write the triangle rough diagram for this. So this is a triangle. Okay. Yes, vertices has given A, B, C. A vertices what they has given 4 comma C 6 and B vertices 1 comma 5 and C vertices are 7 comma 2. Okay. A line is drawn to intersect the sides AB and AC. One line is drawn like that in triangle. This line D and E. Okay, AB intersect at the point D and AC will intersect in the sense divides. Okay, at the point E respectively, such that we want to prove. So they has given AD divided by AB equal to AE divided by AC equal to 1 by 4. Calculate the area of triangle ADE. Compare it with the area of triangle ABC. I mean compare. We want to give the comparison for area of triangle ADE and the area of triangle ABC. Comparison here nothing but the ratio. I mean we want to find out the ratio of area of triangle ADE as well as area of triangle ABC. That thing we have to keep in mind. Yes. Let us take first the in triangle ADE and ABC. They are okay in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. So here they has given what we can write, or we can write here. So according to the given, AD equal to AE, because they only has given AD equal to AE as well as AB equal to AC. We can write here because it is a given. Keep in mind, it is what given. So what they has given, I will write in a bracket AD divided by AB equal to AE divided by AC. So we can write according to the given, both the sides are equal. And also as well as angle BAC equal to angle DAE. So this is a common angle for both the triangle. Okay, common angle, right? Even for the triangle BAC also a common, triangle ADE also a common. So that's why angle A is angle A common. So if 3 are similar equal, then we can write triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, right? So according to which rule it is, two sides one angle, nothing but the SAS, right? SAS rule. So if they are similar, you know that that theorem also, area of similar triangle. So according to that area of similar triangle, we can write area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle ABC equal to the squares of their one side. That means AD square divided by AB square. According to what? According to the similar triangle theorem. According to similar, okay, area of similar triangle theorem it is. Area of similar triangle theorem. Keep in mind. Recall that area of similar triangle is area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle ABC, that equal to their sides. Here two triangles are there, that's why we have taken two triangles, because both are similar, right? Okay. So area of triangle ADE equal to area of triangle ABC, that equal to the AD square divided by AB square, right? So here we can write here area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ADE equal to the area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC equal to the AD square means AD in the sense so we can write this as AD divided by AB whole square again, AD divided by AB whole square. So that means we can write here AD divided by AB in the sense here, so AD by AB value they has given, that is nothing but the 1 by 4 whole square. Okay, 1 by 4 whole square, that nothing but 1 square in the sense 1 only, and 4 square in the sense 4 4s are 16. So that what they are asking, that compare it with the area of triangle ABC and ADE we got here. So finally we got area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle ABC equal to 1 divided by 16. That means therefore area of triangle ADE is to area of triangle ABC equal to, that ratio is 1:16. Okay, this is the what compare it with the area of triangle ADE and area of triangle ABC. Hope you will understand that, the sixth one. Thank you.